Hi children, today I'm going to discuss exercise 4.3 word problems. Word problems of exercise 4.3 of the chapter quadratic equation. So up to 3 we have discussed in the part 1. Now question number 4. Question number 4 onwards we are going to start. What is question number 4? The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages in 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now. So we can write present age. We can take the present age. Let Rahman's present age be Rahman's present age. Rahman's present age be x years. We can take Rahman's present age as x years. We can take Rahman's present age as x years. Then Rahman's present age after 3 years ago and 5 years from now. So 3 years ago, 3 years ago, what was his age 3 years ago? His age was, or he was, his age was 3 years ago. His age was how much? It will be x minus 3. X minus 3. It was x minus 3. Now after 5 years, after 5 years, after 5 years, after 5 years, his age will be how much after 5 years? See, 3 years ago it was x minus 3, 3 years ago. So you have to subtract 3. But after 5 years means you have to add. So that means percentage plus 5. So this is after 5 years. So after 5 years his age will be x plus 5 years. And 3 years ago his age will be what? X minus 3 years. Okay. Now read the question. What is the question? The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from. Sum of the reciprocals of this one. That means 1 divided by x minus 3. 1 divided by x minus 3 plus 1 divided by x plus 5. See, sum of the reciprocals of the ages is equal to 1 by 3. Now cross multiply this, we can find a quadratic equation. So this is the condition. Now we can cross this. While crossing this, what we get? X plus 5 plus this you can cross here, then you will get x minus 3 all divided by these two you can multiply, that is x minus 3 into x plus 5 equal to 1 divided by 3. Now you can add this. See, here we have x and here also we have x. So x plus x will be 2x. So we can write 2x plus 5 minus 3 will be what? It is plus 2 divided by, open this bracket, you will get x square plus 5x plus 5 into x will be plus 5x minus 3 into x will be minus 3x plus 5 into minus 3 will be minus 15. Minus 15 is equal to how much? Is equal to 1 divided by 3. Okay, that is equal to 2x plus 2 divided by 2x plus 2 divided by this we can rearrange, that is x square plus 5 minus 3, that is 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 divided by 3. Now this 2 you can cross here and this you can cross there also. So what you get? 3 into 2. You can see 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So you will get 6x. You will get the answer as 6x plus 6. 6x plus 6 is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 15. That is x square minus plus 2x minus 6x. See this 6x, you can take that side. Then minus 15 minus 6 is equal to 0. That is x squared minus plus 2x minus 6x is how much? It is minus 4x, and minus 6 minus this will be minus 21 is equal to 0. Minus 21 is equal to 0. That is x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Now we can do this using splitting the middle term or whatever method we can use. Okay. Now I am doing here, this is using the splitting the middle term, so that is product is equal to minus 21. Product is equal to minus 21 and sum is equal to minus 4. So it will be minus 7 and plus 3. Minus 7 and plus 3. This product is minus 21 and sum is minus 4. So directly we can write x minus 7 into factorization. Using the factorization, that formula x plus a into x plus b formula, we can write directly this one as x minus 7 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. So from this you will get x is equal to 7, and from this you will get x is equal to what? X is equal to minus 3. So this you can reject. So Rahman's percentage is, so you can write Rahman's percentage. Rahman's present age. Rahman's present age present age is how much? It is 7 years. Rahman's present age is 7 years. Okay. Okay, children. So, question number 5. In a class test, the sum of Shifali's marks in maths and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. See here, suppose the marks in maths, we have 2 subjects here, maths and English. So when I take the maths mark as x, the English mark will be 30 minus x. Why? Because sum of 2 marks, maths plus English, is 30. So from this we can find the marks in English will be what? 30 minus x. 30 minus x. So y is equal to 30 minus x. This is the uh, mark in English. So we have English mark 30 minus x and maths mark x, because we have only the chapter quadratic equation, we have only one variable, now two variables. So y we can replace by x. So it will get what? 30 minus x. Now had she got 2 marks more in maths, 2 mark more in maths means x plus 2, and 3 mark less in English. 3 mark less in English means 30 minus x is the original English mark minus 3 mark, minus 3 mark. So 3 mark less in English. She would have get the product. That means again we can replace this, that is x plus 2, and this 30 minus 3. What is 30 minus 3? It is 27. So 27 minus x. Now this product is 210. That means x plus 2 into 27 minus x into 27 minus x is equal to 210. Now we can open this bracket. You will get 27 into x will be 27x, x into minus x will be minus x squared, 2 into 27 will be 54, and 2 into minus x will be minus 2x. Minus 2x is equal to 210. Now this we can replace like this, minus x squared and 27x minus 24x. See, 27x minus 2x will be what? It is 25. So plus 25x. Now plus 54 equal to 210. So plus 54 minus 210 is equal to 0. That is minus x squared plus 25x plus 25x minus what is 54 minus 210. 54 minus 210, we can subtract 54 from 210, we will get 156. 156. Okay, so minus 156 is equal to 0. Now see here, this is starting with the minus. If you want, you can change this into that means the whole equation. The whole equation you can multiply with the minus 1. When you multiply this with the minus 1, you will get here x square minus 25x minus will change into plus 156 is equal to how much? Is equal to 0. Now any method by formula or by splitting the middle term, okay, or any equation you can use here to find this one. So product of two numbers is 156 and sum of two numbers is 25. Let me check with this with 12 and 13. 12 and 13. 12 and 13 we can check because sum is 25, product we have to check. 5 2 into 3, 2 into 3 is 6, then 3 into 1 is 3, 2 into 1 is 2, 1 into 1 is 1, so it will be 6 5 156. So the numbers are 12 and so both will be negative. Okay, so we can prime factorize that, sorry, we can factorize that using the equation, using the formula x plus a into x plus b. So we will get x minus 12, x minus 12 into x minus 13 equal to 0. Okay, so from this we will get x is equal to 12, and from this you will get x is equal to 13. So two values are there, both are positive. So x is equal to 12 or x is equal to 13. That means suppose the maths mark is 12, English mark, English it will be what? 12 30 minus 12, that is English will be 18. Now suppose the mark in maths is 13, English will be how much? It will be 17, because sum should be 30. Sum of these two marks should be 13. So two cases are there. First case, if the maths mark is 12, English mark will be 18, and if the maths mark is 13, English mark will be 17, because the sum should be 30. Now let us do next question. Question number 6. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than its shorter side if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. Find the sides of the field. See the diagonal of a rectangular field. So there is a rectangular field like this. Okay, for this rectangular field, the diagonal of the rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So the shorter side we can take as x. Okay, so let the shorter side shorter side let the shorter side be x. So we can take the shorter side as x. Let the shorter side be x. Then the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So this diagonal will be 60 more than shorter. So x plus 60. Okay, this will be x plus 60. And the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. That means this longer side is x plus 30, 30 meters more than the this one. Okay, now we know this is a right angled triangle. Here you can see this is a right angled triangle. So for this right angled triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem here. Base square plus height square is equal to hypotenuse square. So I am going to apply that. That is equal to the hypotenuse here, hypotenuse square is means x plus 60, the whole square, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square, or height square plus altitude square plus base square. So altitude square plus base is x plus 30, so x plus 30 the all squared. Okay, so we can expand this using the identity a plus b the whole square. So a square means x square. plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into x into 60. So 2 into 60. 2 into 60 is 120. 120x. So 120x plus square of 60. 60 square. B square. That is 60 square is 36. 6 square is 36 and double zeros you have to give is equal to x squared plus this also you have to expand using the identity. So you will get a square, that is x square, plus 2ab, that means it is 60x. 60x plus b square. B square means 30 square. What is 30 square? It is 900. It is 900. Okay, now from both sides, if this both sides you can cut, see here, this x square and this x square we can cancel. So you will get here x square. I'm going to rearrange this one. That is that right side I am writing here. Right side I have x squared plus 60x plus 60x plus 60x plus 900 plus 900 minus 120x minus 120x minus, see this first this right side I have written here, and this plus 120 and minus plus 3600 I am taking this side. So it will be minus 3600 is equal to 3600 is equal to what? Equal to 0. Now that is x squared. Now look here, plus 60x minus 120x, that you can add, then you will get minus 60x. And similarly 900 minus 3600, what is it? Minus 3600 and 900 here. So you can subtract like this, 36 minus 9. What is 36 minus 9? It is 27. 27. So you can write here minus 2700 is equal to 0. Now you got a quadratic equation. Now this is big number, so that factorization is difficult. So let us do this one by formula. What is the formula? Formula A is equal to, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 60, and C is equal to how much? It is minus 2700. Now find B squared minus 4AC. So B square minus 4AC is equal to, B square means minus 60 squared. Minus 60 square minus 4 into 4 into A. A is equal to what? 4 into A is 1 into C is minus 2700 minus 2700. So 60 square is 3600. 3600 minus into minus will be plus. 27 into 4. What is 27 into 4? 27. 27 into 4 will be what? 27 plus 27 is 54. 54 plus 54 will be how much? 108. 108. So 27 into 4 is 108, and two zeros also there. Now we can add these two. So you will get 10,800 plus how much? 3,600. 3,600, you have to add this one, 0 0, and 6 plus 8 14, again one balance, so it will be 4 144. So you will get 14400. Now we can use you can use the formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac, all divided by 2a, all divided by 2a, that is equal to minus b. So minus of minus 60, don't forget this one, okay, plus or minus root of 14400. 14400, 14,400 divided by 2a, that is 2 into a is here 1. So that is equal to 60. 60 plus 60 plus or minus, see 144. What is the root of 144? It is 12, and double zero we can write only 10 divided by 2. Now you have to separate this one. You have to separate this one. While separating this, what you get? While separating this, you will get 60 plus you will get what? 60 60 plus 120, 60 plus 120 divided by 2, or 60 minus 120, 60 minus 120 divided by 2. So 60 plus 120 is what? 180. So 180 divided by 2, or how much? 60 minus 120 is minus 60 divided by 2. So 60 plus 120 is 180 by 2. 180 by 2 is how much? It is 90, and this is minus 30, but that you can reject. Okay, so this you can reject. This you can reject. So what you get? So the side, the smallest side is, the shorter side is 90. So the shorter side will be what? The shorter side will be, see, we have to find the sides of the field. All the sides we have to find. Okay, so we can find all the sides. That is, we got x is equal to 90. So we can write shorter side, that is altitude. That is altitude. Okay, so we can write altitude is equal to how much? Altitude is equal to this one, 90 meter, and base is equal to, how much? uh, Sides of the rectangle. Okay, so anyway, uh, length, breadth is equal to, sorry, so breadth is equal to, not altitude, we can write here breadth is equal to what? Breadth is equal to 90 meter, and the length is equal to, what is length? Length is equal to 60 meters more than, what is it? 60 meters more than 30 meters more than. Okay, it's not 60, 60 is diagonal, so it is 30 meters more than the shorter side. That means 90 plus 30, 90 plus 30 is equal to how much? Is equal to 120 meter. So the length is 120 meter, and the breadth is what? Breadth is equal to 90 meter. Length is equal to 120, and breadth is equal to 90. Find the sides of the field. We have to find the sides of the field. So the sides of the field is equal to, this is x, we got 90, 90 plus 30, that is 120, and here this side will be 90. Now question number 7. What is question number 7? The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. See, the difference of the squares of two numbers is 180, and the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. 8 times the larger number. So, square of the smaller number. Square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So we can take the smaller number and larger number. See, suppose smaller number we can take 8 times the larger number. So smaller number we can take as x, and the larger number we can take as y. Larger number. Okay, so the larger number we can take as y. Now the difference of the squares of two numbers, is, the larger number is here y, so you can write y squared minus x square is equal to 180. So this is the condition given there. Now what is the second condition? The square of the smaller number, which is the smaller number here, x. The smaller number is here. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. 8 times the larger number means 8 into y. See, 8 into y. Okay, so x square is equal to what? 8 into y. Now you can replace this one, that is y square minus, instead of x square we can write this 8y. 8y is equal to 180. That is y squared minus 8y minus 180 is equal to 0. Now look here, the difference, we can use the method of factorization. So product is equal to minus 180. Product is equal to what? Minus 180, and sum is equal to minus 8. So the numbers we can write as 18 and 10. What is 18 into 10? 18 and 10. 18 and 10. The numbers are 18 and 10. See, because 18 into 10 is equal to 180, and 18 minus 10 will be 8. Okay. Now this will be negative and this will be positive. Now you can check. Positive into negative is negative 180, and positive negative 180 negative 18 and positive 10. While we adding these two, what we get minus 8. Okay, now you can write y minus 18 into y plus 10 is equal to 0. So from here this you will get y is equal to 18, and from this you will get y is equal to what? Y is equal to minus 10. So this you can reject because negative number, so that you can reject. Now you can take the bigger number, the larger number. See, the larger number is, so the larger number, see, which smaller number and the larger number. So the larger number we got. What is the larger number? The larger number is 18. Larger number is 18. Now we have to find the smaller number. For finding the smaller number, we have x square is equal to what? 8y. X square is equal to 8y, that is 8 into y is 18. So is equal to, see, 8 8s are 64, 8 8s are 64, so we can write here 4, and 8 ones are 8 plus 6 14, so 144. X square is equal to 114. So x is equal to how much? X is equal to 12. See, x square is equal to 114, so x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 18. So we can write the smaller number is, smaller number is, what is the smaller number? The smaller number is 12. So the smaller number is 12 and the larger number is 18. Larger number 18.